Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 4 October 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk recently celebrated a legal victory as a lawsuit concerning misleading claims about Tesla's self-driving technology was dismissed. The court found Musk's statements to be mere corporate puffery, meaning exaggerated claims that investors shouldn't take seriously. While Musk expressed satisfaction, critics argue this defense undermines the seriousness of his claims. The ruling has sparked discussions about corporate communications and investor expectations, with some shareholders contemplating an appeal. In a bid to attract top engineering talent, Elon Musk hosted a recruiting event for his new startup, xAI, at the original headquarters of OpenAI in San Francisco. The event, which featured free food, drinks, and live music, coincided with OpenAI's annual Dev Day, intensifying the competitive atmosphere. Musk shared his vision for xAI, aiming to create benign digital superintelligence and rival major players like OpenAI and Google. With $6 billion raised and a valuation of $24 billion, Musk's approach emphasizes rapid innovation and open-source models. Musk's recruiting event attracted a crowd of young engineers, many of whom had just attended OpenAI's conference. His strategy highlights the competitive tech landscape, as he aims for xAI to develop advanced AI capabilities quickly. Despite challenges in securing top talent, Musk's reputation and ambitious goals continue to draw interest in his new venture. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, and xAI insightful. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us next time for more news and updates. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.